First update of the day. Not doing too much in my portfolio right now. I'm just kind of watching. But I think that it's pretty obvious this is actually the fifth wave. I think it had potential to be a B wave, but as you can see, we have 1, 2, and it looks like a third wave is completing sometime soon, maybe already completed. So I would look for a fourth wave down and then probably one more move higher. So we don't know when this is going to end, but we'll wait and see if we can get a fourth wave. It'll probably be really choppy for, when we get a fourth wave, it'll probably be choppy for a while, and then we'll get a fifth wave higher. So I'm just waiting. I still think that at a minimum, we're going to get a pullback. Depending on if we get the bear move down, let's say we go to 402. Even if it's a bullish 5-wave move, we're at least going to come down here to the 50% retracement at 388.56. So if you haven't sold your puts yet, you might want to wait. Of course, it could just keep on going up to 410, but based on what I've seen on how far this has gone, I think like 402 is a good area. That's also the 0.78 retracement from this move. So I would hold on to your puts and not panic sell them if you have them right now and you're down. You're probably going to get a better chance to unload them. But again, that is not financial advice. Do whatever you think is best. So that's SPY. I think that's getting closer to topping. And then let's look at Tesla. Tesla is pretty obvious to me now. Today made it obvious. We have A, B, C, and then we get A, B, C, and then we get a 5-wave move started right here. And I have it drawn right here. You can see 1, 2, third wave right here. Probably starting a fourth wave. We'll probably get one more wave up here. Broke outside the parallel line. That's a pretty telling sign that the third wave is either ending or it's getting close to ending. So third wave right there. We should pull back to probably somewhere around 127, 128, maybe shorter than that. And then I would look for so if we go to 128, then I would look around 136 to 137. And another thing to look at also is if we zoom out here, I've had this drawn for a while now. I have 1, 2, 3 parallel line from the first to the third. You can see 135 to 136 is going to be right outside for a fourth wave parallel line. And then I expect one more move down to probably like 80 bucks. So we're almost there, not quite, but I think there's probably a fourth wave and then a fifth wave higher to 136-ish, and then down to 80 bucks. So Tesla kind of shows that we are getting close to the top, and so I think that SPY is probably in the same boat. The dollar, real quick, is it's up a little bit, I think. No, it's down. Okay. Still just waiting on the dollar. It should bounce soon. It's the most oversold since February of 2021 when the growth stock started falling off a cliff. So it should at least bounce. I don't know about the fifth wave anymore. I'm just waiting for a bounce to get an idea of what's going on. And last thing, let's look at the VIX. Maybe I'll go over some other charts later. But VIX is bouncing a little bit today. Nothing huge, but it is bouncing, but we're also going up. So the VIX is still a non-factor. I think one of these days we're going to get a huge move and it'll actually be a factor. But right now, still just doing absolutely nothing. I think that's pretty much it. Still, like my video yesterday, I'm just waiting for a pullback. I want to see the structure of a pullback, if we get an impulsive or a corrective move. that's going to tell me what the next move is to do. Are we going to go higher, or are we going to get an impulsive move, and you can just ride your puts down? So we'll see, but that's just a quick update for now. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'll talk to you in a bit.